Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop OBS from autofocusing. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a section labeled Sources. This is where all your capture devices and inputs are listed. Now, locate your video capture device or webcam source in this Sources panel. Once you've found it, right-click on it to reveal a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open up the settings specific to your camera device and allow you to access the controls we need to adjust. In the Properties window that appears, you'll see a button labeled Configure Video. Go ahead and click on it. This button is crucial because it takes you to the deeper camera settings where you can control various aspects of your webcam's behavior, including the autofocus feature that we're trying to disable. After clicking Configure Video, a new Properties window will appear on your screen. At the top of this window, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Camera Control tab. This tab contains all the manual controls for your camera, giving you the ability to fine-tune settings that would otherwise be automatically adjusted by the system. Now, look for the Focus option within this Camera Control tab. This is the setting that controls whether your camera automatically adjusts focus or allows you to set it manually. If the box next to Focus is checked, that means autofocus is currently enabled. Simply click on the checkbox to uncheck it. By doing this, you're disabling the autofocus feature and giving yourself manual control over your camera's focus, which prevents those annoying focus shifts during your recordings or streams. Once you've unchecked the focus option, click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the Properties window. Your settings are now saved and OBS will no longer automatically adjust the focus on your camera. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled autofocus in OBS, giving you more control over your video quality and eliminating those distracting focus changes during your content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.